Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8 Subject English.
Good morning, students. Hope you are well. Today we are going to start the 6th chapter, correct uses of determiners. All of you take your English grammar text for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope that all of you take the page number 36, the correct use of determiners. First of all, determinus is a word that determine or limit the noun that follows it. Example, a book, two girls, any book, an inkpot, a little rest, the Ramayana, several problems, a few difficulty, a lots of difficulties. So, determiners can be divided into 5 groups: possessive, demonstrative, quantifiers, numerals. Numerals can be classified into 2, that is definite and indefinite. The last one is articles. Possessive is my, our, your, his, her, its, their, Mohan's, Richard's, etc. Then demonstrative, these, this, that, these, those, such, some, any, the other, certain, etc. Then quantifiers, much, little, no, some, any, enough, sufficient, all of, whole of, half of, etc. Numerals, definite, 1, 2, 3, first, second, third, etc. Then indefinite, all, some, no, many, few, several, etc. Articles a and the. Then rules about the use of some determiners, some, any. Both these words refer to numbers as well as quantity. Some is used in affirmative sentence. Example, there are some children outside. Some people are always after money. So questions, when the speaker expect an affirmative answer, didn't give didn't he give you any money? Sorry, didn't he give you some money? Yes, he gave me some money. Any is used in negative sentence. I didn't buy any bread. He has not solved any problem. Then affirmative sentence have the following words: prevent, without, hardly, scarcely. Then here, I have hardly any leisure nowadays. I have hardly any leisure nowadays. We did the work without any difficulty. Phrase having the sense of no matter which, in case, at any rate, on any day, at any house. Example, you can come on any day you like. Phrase or clause of condition: I shall help you in case of any difficulty. Remember that you never use no with any. He did not he did no work. He didn't do any work. There are no girls in the class. Here, correct is there weren't any girl in the class. Now take the page number 38. Few and little. Few is determinants of number. We have few holidays. There were few girls in the class. Little is determinants of quantity. I have little rest during the day. Note the difference in the meaning and use of few, a few, and the few. Few is negative determinants. It is used in the sense of not many. A few, it is an affirmative determinant. It is used in the sense of some, at least. The few is makes the negative statement and other affirmative. It means the whole of the particular number. Then there is a similar difference between meaning of the uses of a little, little, then the little. Little is negative determinants. It is used in the sense of not much. A little is affirmative determinants. It is used in the sense of some, at least. Then the little is makes a negative statement and other affirmative. It means the whole of particular quantity. Thus, the sentence 3 makes two sentences. Here are some sentences using the little. He had little money. He did not have much money. He had a little money. He had some money at least. He spent the little money he had. He did not have much money and he spent all of it. So thus the sentence 3 makes two statements. Negative, the money he had was not much. Affirmative, he spent all the money he had. So here is one fill in the blanks with using few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Using this words you have to complete this fill in the blanks. Okay. Now the page number 40. Much, many, fewer and less. Much and less are determinants of quantity. Much and fewer are determinants of number. Much is used with the uncountable nouns. Many is used with the plural countable nouns. Examples: much of what you say is true. Does your cow gives much milk? There is not much food in the house. Then many, I don't have many friends. How many eggs did you buy? He does not know many things. Many, many, a many. In respect of meaning, there is no difference between many and many a. The only difference is that many takes the plural noun and a plural verb. Many a takes the singular noun and a singular verb. Many men, many a man. Many a boy is absent today. Many boys are absent today. Fewer is used as comparative of few, it denotes number. Today bought fewer eggs. There were fewer men than women. Less is very rarely used as comparative of little. It is an independent comparative and has no positive degree. They generally denote quantity. I have less money than you. Today I had less work to do. Don't think it has less importance. Sometimes less is used in the place of fewer with countable plural nouns. There have been less accidents this year. There were less cars on the road a few years ago. However, such uses are grammatically incorrect. We should say fewer accidents and fewer cars. But look at the following sentence. She got less marks this year. She use of less marks is correct because the mark thought a plural countable noun has been used they here in the sense of standard of performance. As a general rules, remember, much, little and less denote quantity. They take a singular uncountable nouns and a singular verb. Many, few and a fewer denote number. They take a plural countable noun and a plural verb. Next one is fill in the blanks with much, many, a fewer and less. Using this, you have to do this homework using the help of answer key. Okay. Take the page number 42. Plenty of, a lot of, a great deal of, a long way of, etc. There is a very strong tendency in modern English to use of shorter forms of negative and questions. In simple affirmative statement, the use of such phrases as plenty of, a lot of, a great deal of, and are the uses in the place of much and many. Example: he does not have much time. Means he has a lots of time, and he has much time uncommon. And he does not have many friends. He has a lots of friends. He has many friends. Although grammatically the correct, such uses are not found in the modern English. Some other forms to be kept in the mind as negative questions for affirmative statement as a long way, far off, a long way off, far away, a long way away, far back, a long way back, far behind, a long way behind. So correct use of articles. A and an A and an are known as indefinite articles. They is known as the definite articles. As a general rules, a singular countable noun should have an article. Example: Raghu has a hen. Correct is Raghu has a hen. We use before a consonant, a boy, a woman, a yard, a house, a hall, etc. U sounded as U. The university, a unicorn, a useful things, European, etc. O sounds as woo. A 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, such a one exam, etc. We use an before. We use an before means a vowels, an as, an enemy, an incubate, an orange, an umbrella, etc. We use the when we speak of a particular person or a thing. Let us go to the club. The book you gave me is very useful. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, the rose is a lovely flower. A tiger is the tiger is our national animal. Before the names of things that are unicorn, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the sea, the oceans, etc. Page number 44. With the name of books, rivers, seas, oceans, group of island, gulfs, and mountain ranges. The Gita, the Vedas, the Bible, the Ramayana, etc. The Ganga, the Yamuna, the Red Sea, the Indian Oceans, etc. Before superlative, he is the best boy in our class. Before an adjective, when the noun is understood, the guilty will be punished. The rich should be kind to the poor. We can use a or an in the sense of one. Wait a minute, 12 inches make a foot. In the sense of a certain, I met an old man in the street. We don't use any articles before a noun used its widest sense. Man is mortal. What kind of flowers is it? Before the noun of material, gold is precious metal, cotton is used to make clothes. Before proper nouns, Mumbai is big city, Ashoka was great king. Before the place that are visited for the purpose they are meant for, bed, school, college, hospital, church, prisons, etc. We go to the church to pray. The thief was sent to prison. So the next page, page number 45, 45.